At Celerant, we're excited to announce the latest version of Cumulus Retail version 2.8.1 is available. In this video, we will demonstrate a few of the many new features and integrations of the software. You can also learn about this new version by downloading the release notes from our client portal. Since the last software release, we added many new features and integrations. Some of our new integrations include RetailOptia by ANTUSA, a solution designed to empower SMB retailers with improved sales forecasting and inventory management. IndiePet, an expanded integration that seamlessly syncs manufacturer product data with e-commerce, tailored for the pet industry. Streetwise Security, a new integration enabling retailers to streamline self-defense and personal safety product lines. Smart Ordering by SportsSouth, a program that revolutionizes the replenishment process for sportsman dealers. And GunMade, a comprehensive online search engine developed for sportsman dealers. Reach out to your account rep if you're interested in learning more about any of these new integrations. To begin, let's review the shelf tag module. This modification allows you to manage shelf tags that need to be printed after a price change is made. When a price is changed, a record will be created and added to a shelf tag list screen. From there, you'll be able to print tags in bulk, flag them so you know which ones have been printed, and identify what needs to be relabeled after a price change is performed. To begin, you have to set up two scheduled tasks. The first one is required. From the back office, click Admin and Scheduled Tasks and Utilities. Next, click on New and select the task named Create Shelf Tag Records When Price Changes. Schedule the task and mark it as active. Now, when a price change is detected, the procedure will add the corresponding inventory item to the shelf tag list screen. From this screen, users can manage the printing or reprinting of shelf tags as needed. This is a scheduled cron job task, which can be configured to run at regular intervals throughout the day, ensuring the process is automated and up to date. The second scheduled task, named Purge Shelf Tags Over 1 year old, removes shelf tag records older than 1 year from the database. Each time a shelf tag is created or a price changes, a new entry is added to a dedicated table, which can grow significantly over time. This task keeps the database clean and optimized by preventing unnecessary data buildup and maintaining efficient performance. Like other scheduled tasks, it can run automatically at regular intervals, ensuring outdated data is removed without manual effort. Next, let's view the shelf tag list screen. This is located under Product Management and Shelf Tags. You can filter by print status to view either all records, only those that have been printed, or only those that have not been printed. Additionally, you can narrow your search by product, barcode, date of the price change, and a specific store. Advanced item filters are available for more refined searches. So at this point, I click Search, and all the records with a price change that meet my criteria are displayed on the screen. The system provides details like product codes, store descriptions, and whether or not the tags have been printed. From here, you can select items individually or in bulk. Next, you can adjust the print quantities, which are set to 1 by default. You can update them for single or multiple records at once. In this case, I will select 3 records and change the quantity to 2. When you're ready to print, simply use the Print Shelf Tags option. Select the desired tag format, such as Avery, and start with position 1 on a new sheet, and the system will generate the tags. If all tags print correctly, select Yes to update the field to Y, indicating that they have been printed. Otherwise, select No to keep the field unchanged. In this case, I'll select Yes. Now when I search for tags that have been printed, you'll notice the printed flag is now set to Y. Now let's talk about a recent enhancement, the removal of the freight requirement for store pickups during the ship customers' orders process. This update is particularly useful for retailers offering store pickups through their website or for orders created at the point of sale and marked as store pickup. To fulfill a store pickup order using the back office workflow, navigate to Fulfillment and select Ship Customer Orders. Enter the order number and you'll see it flagged as a store pickup. From here, proceed to Do Shipping. Previously, when packing an order, you were required to enter a weight before completing the process. But with store pickups, this step is no longer necessary. Now you can simply open the order, define what the customer is picking up, whether by scanning items or using the Ship All option, and finish packing. Once complete, the order is closed and no longer available for processing. For shipping methods that aren't store pickups, the system still requires freight details. But for store pickups, this enhancement eliminates that step, streamlining the process and saving time. Next, let's review a new feature that gives you the ability to delete web classifications directly from the back office. In the Cumulus back office, navigate to Product Management and select Web Classifications. This is where you manage departments and subdepartments for your online store. Here's where I can create and delete departments and subdepartments. For example, let's say you no longer offer tank tops under the shirts category. To remove this classification, select Tank Tops, click Action, and choose Delete. The system will prompt you to confirm. Click Yes, and the classification will be deleted. When you return to the shirts category, you'll see that tank tops is no longer listed. Don't forget to save your changes. And just like that, the web classification has been removed. This feature makes it easy to manage your online store directly from the Cumulus back office, giving you more control and flexibility. The last feature we'll cover is our integration with RetailOptia, an open-to-buy program by ANTUSA. Please note, this is an optional add-on. The integration automatically sends your inventory and sales data to RetailOptia on a scheduled basis. First, you'll need to sign up with ANTUSA and handle the necessary paperwork with your Celerant sales rep. Once that's complete, the onboarding process begins. Start by navigating to the admin section and selecting Integration Config. Click on New and choose the ANTUSA integration. Click Next. Enter the SFTP credentials provided by ANTUSA, including the host, login, and password. You'll also define whether your on-order data is based on the ship date or the cancel date. Next, create a scheduled task to automate the data transfer. To do this, navigate to Admin, then Scheduled Tasks and Utilities. Click New. Choose the task, Send Inventory and On-Order Data to ANTUSA. Set your schedule, mark it as active, and save. Once these tasks are set up, your inventory and sales data will seamlessly flow into RetailOptia, keeping your open-to-buy planning up to date. Our integration team can help with this setup and also assist in providing RetailOptia with your historical data for comparisons. With this integration, you'll have a streamlined, automated solution to optimize inventory planning. These are just some of the new features included in Cumulus Retail 2.8.1. You can download the release notes from the client portal and schedule your software update by emailing updates@celerant.com.